मैंने कभी नहीं देखा जॉर्ज सोरोस को, मैं कभी नहीं मिला उन्हें। बोल दिया ना, उसमें क्या कोई प्रूफ थोड़ी है, बोल दिया। अब जॉर्ज सोरोस का काम करता है कांग्रेस पार्टी का काम करती है। अगर कहीं आप सब समझे कि मैं आपको कहीं मिल गया कोई पब्लिक फंक्शन में और हम दोनों ने तस्वीर ले ली, दैट डजंट मीन आई एम वर्किंग विथ यू। आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल।
Yes.
लेकिन लोग ऐसा करते रहते हैं, झूठ बोलते रहते हैं। तो कभी भी तस्वीर किसी की भी छाप दी, यू कैन कॉपी विथ AI ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स। इतना सारा झूठ फैलाया जाता है सबके बारे में। ओके, बट दैट्स द वर्ल्ड वी लिव इन, एंड दे आर शेमलेस पीपल। They have no problem lying through their teeth. They are pathological liars in many ways. I don't know who they are, but their lies apparently spread. TV media and all, they pick it up, and I know I have seen it against me also. Okay? But that's the kind of life we live. देखिए आपके ऑप्शन क्या है, समझे? You have to evaluate your option and be realistic. Okay? If US puts 50% tariff, okay? If US puts 50% tariff, that means US has already decided. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम नेगोशिएट कर सकते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा कर सकते हैं। उसके बिना क्या हो सकता है बताइए आप? ये तो अपनी फॉरेन पॉलिसी है, हमारे फॉरेन पॉलिसी एक्सपर्ट्स को डिसाइड करना है। ओके, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू माय व्यू एज ए कंसर्न सिटीजन। आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट ऑन फॉरेन पॉलिसी, बट like at home, I want to be friends with my neighbors. I have 4 neighbors in front, back, on left, and on right. I don't want to fight with them. They may not have same objective in life, but that's okay. I got to be accommodating. I got to be flexible. I got to listen to them. I don't expect them to be like me. So if I can't have peace in my neighborhood, how can I expect prosperity? I think it's so very fundamental and so very simple, but we tend to lose sight of that. Okay? It may be demanding, it may be complicated, but a lot of resources have to be put on that than trying to go all over the world and, fix things some other places. वैसा नहीं है. The main message is कि elections affect future generation more so than people like us who have very little time left. Democracy is designed to help and empower everybody. राहुल गांधी ने जो कहा उसमें बहुत सत्य है, लेकिन हमें इनके वॉइस को एम्पलीफाई करना है। वो अकेले तो कर नहीं सकते, सब कितना करेंगे अकेले? वो एक ही बोलते हैं, बाकी सब लोग कुछ बोलते नहीं। तो हमारा काम सब लोगों का ये है कि इफ वी बिलीव इन इट, वी मस्ट जॉइन हैंड्स एंड एम्पलीफाई आवर वॉइस। सो अभी सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, कांग्रेस लीडर्स, यूथ लीडर्स, सिविल सोसाइटी, लॉयर्स एंड अदर्स मस्ट लैंड देयर वॉइस। ये जमाने में किसी पे पूरा विश्वास रखना इतना आसान नहीं है। Institutions have been captured, judiciaries have been captured, civil society has vested interest. There is very little independence that is left. And I'm talking about globally. Globally, democracy is going through a major challenge. Everywhere, democracy is being threatened because we have lost the value system. We have lost character. We have lost the idea of family. We become too individualistic. We are always talking about me and not us. As a friend of mine, Arun Maira, said that recently. So I think it is time to really understand where we are as a civilization. And social media and technology hasn't helped, believe me. And as I see more and more of I worry a lot more about the impact of AI on future generation, on employment, on work, on values, on education, on health. And we are living in a very, very difficult times. We need today clarity. We need simplicity. We need concern for the planet and people. I've said this time and time again that people are worried about profit and power everywhere. And in the process, we are ignoring the real challenge related to planet and people.